All right, it's a new day. We're going to head southwest. Hopefully we'll beat the storm. And here we are, just driving right beside Route 66 on I-44. So we stopped in a town called Lebanon on our way down to Joplin. We're on I-44. We stopped at Bandana's Barbecue for lunch, but boy, that sky looks gray. Well, it's summer solstice, and summer's coming on with a bang. This is 2:30 in the afternoon. Well, we did manage to make it past the storm, and we found a place to stay for the weekend, the Big Red Barn. The Big Red Barn. It's a campground outside of Joplin, Missouri. That's southwest, right off of I-44. Yep, so just strolling along, taking our girls for a walk around the block. Alright, this is what you do when the babies get cabin fever. You give them special treats. It's a rainy day, so the babies get something to occupy themselves.
The blue dot is where we are currently, and it's been raining all the way through Kansas, Missouri, Oklahoma.
Well, things are starting to dry out. Where the sun is finally shining. We kind of had cabin fever. In the gift shop, there were homemade wooden toys, homemade jellies, and Route 66 memorabilia.
Okay, so as the name on the rig says, Gumby, that's what we have to be today. We are in Missouri, and they have had really significant flooding. The town of Anderson's been pretty flooded out, and we are about 30 miles from there. We had some plans to go to Grand Falls and a Civil War battlefield down in Oklahoma and some other places. I think that's going to have to not happen, and I think we're going to continue our trek west into Kansas because they too have had some flooding, but we've got to get somewhere we can go see stuff. And I'm tired of rain. So anyway, let's see what today brings along with us. And thanks for watching. Hang in there.
And now we're heading out. So we're driving into the National Historical Monument. The George Washington Carver here in Missouri. This is the George Washington Carver National Monument. So the George Washington Carver National Monument allows dogs on the trails, so that was really nice. It's just a beautiful day out here. we're looking at the airport in Joplin. Yes, those are hay bales you see at the airport.
2 SF-44s. Kansas City Southern. Oh, that's cool.
We're in Kansas?
We're in Kansas on, where are we? Just off 169?
No, it's US 400.
At the end of the street,
Anyway,
turn left.
they have a dump station, which appears to be a free dump station right here. I thought that was kind of cool, this little rest area. Thank you, Kansas.
On our way for the stop for the night, we have found a winery. And they have Old Settlers Day celebration.
In 1/2 mile,
Okay, Garmin,
stay in the van.
stop route.
Yay, it's open! Wyldewood Cellars, Wichita. Can't grow things like There was great wine at this harvest house. We really enjoyed staying here. The host was very accommodating, let us run our generator. They told us they were going to leave at 6 p.m. and really gave us free reign of the backyard that they had. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that too. We are continuing our journey across the USA, and we hope you come along for the ride.